Welcome to another short Windows 10 tutorial. This time I will show you how to reset your computer to factory settings. You probably want to do this because your PC has turned slow, or perhaps you are suffering from a virus. Oftentimes, this is much faster than trying to fix underlying problems. Anyway, before you do anything, make sure that important files are backed up. The first step is to type in reset in the Windows search bar. While typing, you will get a suggestion to reset this PC. Click on it. This opens a settings menu. Click on the option to get started underneath the Reset This PC title. A new menu opens, which provides you with two options. The first option is to perform a factory reset on your computer while keeping your personal files. This means that you uninstall all software and reset every setting. This way you get to keep your files, but this method is potentially less effective as some of your files could be the source of a virus or performance issue. For this tutorial, I will choose the second option. This second option is a complete restore. This deletes all software and all personal files. This option is a more secure solution to fix your problem, but it also has the most impact on your PC. When you choose this option, you get additional options to choose if you click on Change Settings. So we have two additional settings to work with. The data erasure option is of interest when you want to throw out your PC. This doesn't only delete the files, but it cleans the drive entirely. It takes a few hours extra, so only toggle this option on if you want to give your PC to someone else or if you want to throw it away. This way it is a lot harder for hackers to restore files. The data drive option is when you want to clean additional drives instead of the one where you have the Windows installation. Click on Confirm if you made your choice. On the next screen, there is only one thing left to do, and that is to click on the Reset option. Again, make sure that you understand all the difference between the options and do not forget to save important files if necessary. The factory reset can take a few hours of time depending on the settings you made and the strength of your PC. In most cases, this won't take too long. Once the factory reset is complete, I advise to see if any problems remain. If everything is okay, you can start restoring files or reinstall software. I hope this how to restore factory settings in Windows 10 tutorial was useful. Comments or questions are always welcome in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video.